The Design Culture Initiative, which is a very unique initiative to build a culture of design in the city. And with the design culture comes the Design Dhara workshops. The Design Dhara workshops are aimed at really nurturing those skills in you, which is just not about learning a craft. It's about really looking at the application to make it really commercial viable too. You can make products, ideas, come and experience in our workshops, labs, and see really what design as a career is. So even if you are in your middle school or your high school, you can come and attend these workshops and get to truly experience a design environment, what design learning would really mean, what is the application of design. So here's an opportunity for you to come and interact at the Arts College of Design and Business Malviya Nagar campus and see all our spaces, interact with the faculty and the students, and really understand the career path that you're going to progress with in design education.